Mr. Dallas, can I use the bathroom, please?
Yes, Dash.
10 minutes later!
So let's put the fire alarm.
OMG DW and Arthur, how dare you put the fire alarm? I'm calling your parents.
No. Please don't call our parents. We're sorry.
Well, it's too damn bad!
DW and Arthur, how dare you put the fire alarm? That you are grounded for 23 years. Go to your room now.
Where?